Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make homemade tomato soup. This is more of like a Polish way to make it. I don't know. It's how my mom taught me is how I'm going to say it. And I'm also going to show you how to make your own egg noodles, and they're going to go directly into the soup, and it's so easy, so delicious. We eat it like this all the time, and with a grilled cheese, phenomenal. So if you want to see how it comes together, keep on watching.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the